Ignatia versus Natrum Mor. Two remedies for grief, but completely different reactions. Ignatia versus Natrum Mor. Let's compare. Herb Ignatia amara. Ignatia amara. Acute emotional grief or disappointment. Mood changes quickly. Sighing, crying, emotional outbursts. A feels better after expressing emotions. Backhand index pointing right key. Emotional, dramatic, changeable grief. Herb Natrum muriaticum. Natrum muriaticum. Silent, deep emotional grief. Avoids consolation. Cries alone in private. Dwells on past emotional hurt. Key. Silent grief plus reserved emotions. Final comparison. Ignatia expresses emotions openly. Natrum Mor hides emotions deeply. Follow for more quick homeopathy Viva comparisons.